Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix voicemail notification not working on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, restart phone. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button at the time. You will see restart phone from here. After restart phone, you will see go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Scroll down and click on lock screen and always on display. And after click on lock screen and always on display, go back and click on notification, click on do not disturb and make sure if you want to fix this problem, so turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off do not disturb mode, you will see your problem is solved. But if it is still not solved, go to app library and click on settings app. Scroll down and click on general management and click on reset and click on reset all settings. Enter your phone pin, click on continue. You will see go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix voicemail notification not working on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.